In Campbellsville, Kentucky, a man tells us what it was like as he and 5 other members of his family rode out an EF3 tornado that claimed the life of his mother.
Whenever the tornado hit, me, my little boy, 3-year-old, and my wife, Megan, we was right here. We didn't really have much of a warning other than the trailer started shaking real hard. And I heard my mother say, "Oh God, hold on," and push my little sister to the ground, and it set my mom up. And then shortly after, it set my little sister up. I remember Mom pushing Alanda down on her knees, and then Alanda looked up, and she was in there. And I heard somebody holler, "Hold on." So I just rode over on top of them and like bear hugged them. And it got deathly quiet. I mean, deathly quiet. You couldn't hear nothing. It was unreal. And then I remember hearing right there towards the end a big boom. I mean, it sounded like a grenade went off in my ear. I woke up somewhere over there, right around where the mattress is over there. That's where I woke up. And I was screaming and hollering. I couldn't breathe. I found my wife and my little boy roughly right over here on this piece of metal refrigerator. My mother. I ain't going over. That's where my mom was. I tried to pack them out, but she had a broke collarbone and a broke leg, so she couldn't help. And so she told me to take my 3-year-old and go find help. I don't know how he made it out the way he did, as little as he is. We did the best we could to protect him.